Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can sign into our IRCC account. So the first thing you should do is simply launch a browser. In my case, I have been using Chrome. So all you have to do is type in IRCC login. Then you will see canada.ca that says sign into your IRCC secure account. Go ahead and tap onto that specific link. You'll get to a page like this. Now here, this might seem confusing, but simply tap onto the Canada flag one more time and you will see most requested menu. You tap on sign into an account. It says sign into a Government of Canada online account. Under most requested, you will see various accounts, but under immigration, refugees, you will be able to see sign into your IRCC account. Go ahead and tap onto that specific link and simply type in or tap on sign into your existing account. And likewise, it says how many accounts you could sign into. You can go ahead, select your specific preferences or option, and then go about typing in your credentials to log into your account. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.